na beg na we dey. Yes, so na beg I dey for this matter wey dey ground. So I know say many things don happen, many things don shele, but let bygone be bygone. God go help you, God go give you grace, the people that are concerned in this matter. And we know say there's nothing that cannot happen, we know that one. But the truth is that let bygone be bygone, let peace reign, let those that have happened, let it be bygone. We should do listen to people. My people, my beautiful people, how na dey? This na your girl, your sister from another mother. Oh, na me be this message na for some people among us. So yes, so I go put their picture here, I go put their name, make una see them. They'll be our wonderful sisters among us. They are beautiful people, they have beautiful families. That's just the truth. I beg, I see there, na make peace reign, na make we settle this thing. And I see this video for some ago, a month ago. Now I don't see this thing. Me, I not lie. So when I say they go settle themselves as normal, because we know say these things they happen. But as the thing come they go now, I can't say and say no, not be waiting. I think not being they happen so. Now I say make I shook mouth for the matter. I beg, we wanna settle this thing out of YouTube. Now beg we still dey. We understand wetin dey happen. Is dey so painful when you get somebody where you love, where you like, you dey tell everything, and they do things together, they cooperate, and things gonna happen like this. Now no, so even when they do this friendship, some people not happy, some people happy. You understand? So as this one can't happen. So many no go still happy, why some go still happy. I beg, as soon as you're fine, so no let peace reign. Continue to reign among una. Let peace reign. These beautiful families, you people are gorgeously made, wonderfully and fearfully made by God. I beg, no let bygone be bygone. Now beg we still do. I beg we still do. Even me wey dey here safe. Me too, I be yucky too. I be yucky. I beg. No, let matter just end like that. No, settle this matter among ourselves. On behalf of Monica, I say, Lolo, sorry. We are very sorry. On behalf of Lolo, Monica, we are very sorry. Two of una, the mamas, we are very sorry. I beg. No, end this matter. Make it end like this. There are other things we una fit do. I watch one video, I see what you do. He enter my eye. He good well. Those of us who not even know what they happen for airport before, we can't know how you will take Wakao, how you not go enter Abuja Road. You understand? We can't understand. I beg, no, na end this matter. It's not good like that. Many people go still watch you now. Now your office say okay, as now don't get this subscriber now, let that one now there end. No, more people are still coming to watch. So because of that, the plan, maybe they plan for future, plan for our tomorrow, how our tomorrow will be. They will not just end down like that. Say oh, because this person no, I beg. Maybe settle this matter. Maybe end this thing. Not good at all. I know say some people no want talk. They watch from afar. They say this thing go end, it go end. I dey among we say go end, it go settle now. But I not like what here they see. We no want hear again. if other people want hear me, I no want hear anything again. No, na end this matter. Make it end like that. If you go there, they say, I see your Benin people. See your Benin people. I come from Benin now. You understand? Most of us, some of us, we come from Benin. I beg, make this matter end like that. Make una settle among una say. This goes to other people too. If you get friends, if you see say the friend he get as he be, things not they work out well, there's nothing wrong. May una part una ways. That's just the truth. Some people come your life for like 6 months, 2 years, 1 year, 20 years. You know if they reach 20 years. If I say 20 years, some people go there your life. They know they reach like that. Oh, I hope I don't solve this problem as I see fit take talk the one way I sabi reach. I beg. Now just still be like me. Now so I be. If I get friend, now so I go open up, tell her everything, all my secrets. I not get wetin I dey hide. Now so I be. But if I see things be like this, as it just still be so because I don't fall into a situation like this. It happen. I know they say, oh, I want go. No. I go just still leave the person, work on my own, face my life. The way I go take do self, you not go believe say me and the person we don't ever meet for life before. Because I just dey do my own thing, they go. You understand? I beg, no, na you resolve this thing. People are watching, and people they see. Now children self they watch. Even if you say, oh, you go tell your children may not watch. Their friends they watch. You understand? Then they go school. They go discuss these things. I beg, no, na resolve this matter. No, na resolve. Now Whitey can they recommend you na video give me. Now I can't watch. Before I be no one will talk. But now when I say Whitey, they recommend them. Now I say make I talk. I will send message to Monica. I know say you dey very busy. You never see what I send to you. I beg. Maybe resolve this matter. Make this matter just end like that. Now God, I say they beg you now. No, I go end my story for here. No, not forget to subscribe to me on the two of now. Now subscribe to our channel Fair Square TV. Now so the matter be now. Take care of yourself. I beg. Life must go on. You will not remain in one position. It's not possible. You move on in life and do what will make people happy. Take care of yourself. Bye. We love you.